Welcome to Upstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to turn on or off full screen mode in Google Chrome web browser. To do that, open Chrome web browser and then press F11 key from keyboard. To come out of full screen mode, press F11 key again or hover over the top of document and press cross button. You can also click three dots at the top right. And then from this zoom area, press this icon, full screen icon, to toggle full screen mode. Same goes for the Brave browser. Press F11, F11 again, or you can click full screen icon. Same goes for the Firefox. This is Firefox web browser. F11 for full screen mode, F11 again to come out of full screen. Or select these three lines and press this icon. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.